What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Bitcoin, currently sitting at 411. We're up almost 2% on the day. Nice little bounce off our support line, created a little bit of a double bottom. We're sitting at a market cap of 810 billion. 24-hour volume is 31.78 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. It's my favorite app for investing, and they have incredible benefits. You can get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So let's start on the 1 hour chart. So you can see we came down to our trend line of support once again, sitting at about 40.8K. We created a double bottom and we bounced. So if we look at our breakout here from our double bottom pattern, let's see if our target was met here. So not quite, guys. The target was up at about 44K, but of course we're in this symmetrical triangle and we've come up and we've hit resistance once again. We have trended into overbought, and the last two times we hit the resistance of our symmetrical triangle, we saw a move back down. So I would anticipate either a move back down to once again test this level of support and come into the apex here, or the other scenario is, guys, that we consolidate or we come back down to the EMAs here, we find support and we break out, and that breakout target would lead us back up to 48.5K. Of course, we still have our technical target from our head and shoulders at 37.8, and if we were to roll over here and we break down, the target from this symmetrical triangle is down at 36.8, but we have been creating that really strong level of support in between 39.6 and 41.2K. So we're going to pop over to the 4 hour time frame. So here we are on the 4 hour. You can see we are back above the EMAs. So if we did see some consolidation here and we hold the EMAs and we break out, that would be extremely bullish. If we see the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55 EMA, and we break this trend line of resistance at 44.9K, I think we'd be good to go for continuation. However, the last two times we came up to test this level of resistance, we got rejected once again. So if that does happen, do anticipate a retest of this support line and possibly coming back down to this support zone in between 39.6 and 41.2K. If we look at Bitcoin here on the weekly, we're still beautifully holding the 21-week moving average that I've been going over for a couple of weeks now. We're just slightly underneath the 20 EMA. So if we could go into next week and get back above the 20 EMA, then we'd be good to go for continuation. Even if we come down to our technical target of 37.8, we find support on the 55, as I've been mentioning. We bounce out of our falling wedge here, and we head back up to 53.2K, the technical target, and beyond for Bitcoin. So just a quick little update, guys. If we fail to consolidate here and hold the EMAs, then do anticipate a retest of this support line and possibly 41.2. But if you see us consolidate here, we hold the EMAs, we break out with some volume, your target's all the way up at about 48.5, and then we'd be good to go to see our recovery here and our continuation on the bull run. We're finding our strong level of support, we're consolidating, and we're just waiting to see our breakout back to the upside, in my opinion. Guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin, I highly recommend Bybit. They do not charge fees. If you use limit order with post only, they actually pay you, where other exchanges will charge you in fees. You can sign up through my referral up to $600 in bonuses. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.